Welcome to this YouTube channel. On this video, I will be talking about Inos B, a Congolese artist who released a song called Yope. It's doing very good on YouTube, and this video, I'm just trying to explain what the song is all about to the people who speak English and do not understand Lingala. Okay, so Yope by Inos B. What is it all about? Let's talk about Inos B himself for a little bit. He was discovered through a talent show called Vodacom Superstar, where he was the winner. Afro Congo is the style of music that he is playing now. Yope, the style of that music is called Afro Congo, a style created by Inos B. He's done some featuring with Congolese artists, Fally Ipupa, Merci Mama, 2014. There's no video clip. Werason, Eloko, 2015. There's a video clip of that. Koffi Olomide, Elengi, 2016. There's a video clip. The video clip of Elengi by Inos B feat Koffi Olomide was supposed to be shot in Kenya. 2016 is the year where Koffi Olomide beated a dancer. Because of that, they could not record the video in Kenya. Inos B was supposed to join Koffi Olomide in Kenya, but because of the incident, it did not happen. The song Yope is about a lazy person who also wants to be rewarded as everyone else. A lazy person who do not work, or he just work a few hours, a couple of hours, but he want to be rewarded just like everyone else. Okay? Yuma no kakat. You think I don't understand? Zoba no kakat. You think I do not understand? Otelemi no na coin. You are standing in the corner. So when they're doing like this, they are reflecting the image of a person very clean but lazy, who stand in the corner doing nothing and expect to be taken care of. Osalino lokote, you did not do anything. Otokino kutute, you have not sweat. Sweating is because in Congo it's very hot, and when you are doing a physical work, you sweat even more. You have not even sweat. So easy. Like that, you want to be rewarded. You want to be paid. You want to be given. Yope bapesa yo. Okay, kopesa, to give, reflect the image of an employer giving envelopes of money to his employees. At the end of the month, he's handing envelope, kopesa, to give. He's giving envelopes away. And the lazy person also wants to be given his salary, a full salary, even if he did not work like enough hours. Yope bapesa yo. Toza kolia, toza komela, toye na program. We are eating, we are drinking, we came on a program. You lite lilie, litete liliete. You have contributed, you eat. If you have not contributed, you will not eat. Yope bapesa yo. You also want to be given. You also want to be rewarded. Okay, we're still talking about Yope by Inos B. Now they're talking about a lazy person who works, but he does not work enough hours. Obandi boulot na 10h, you started work at 10 a.m. Olembino na 12h, you are tired at 12. Tala baninga ba continue. Your colleagues continued. Nasima tangwa salaire. When it's time for the reward, when it's time for payment, when it's time for wages, you also want to be paid. Yope bafuta yo. Kopesa is to hand something like an envelope. Kofuta is to pay. Yo pay bafuta yo. You also want to be paid. You also want to be rewarded. You also want to be given an envelope of money because you worked, but you have not really worked. You worked for 2 hours. You are tired. Your colleagues continued, but you also want to be paid. Po yo nani? Who are you? So the easiest thing to do for you to remember the meaning of this song is that image. When they're doing like this, they're doing it to reflect the image of a lazy person standing in the corner of the street, doing nothing, or working but not really working enough and wanting to be paid. Yo pay ba pesa yo. So you're not really participating in society. When it's time to eat, you do not contribute. You do not contribute for food. You do not contribute for drink. People work on a program, but you also want to eat. You also want to be given food. It does not work like that. Yuma no kakat. You think I don't understand. Zoba no kakat. You think I do not understand the way life is. So it's a song that by Enos B. The song is about lazy people who do not want to do anything, but they also want to be counted in society. And I cannot summarize the whole song. I cannot translate the whole song because of copyright. But that's all I've done for you. That's all I had for you. And I will play the video that you watch at the beginning of this video. I will play it with audio so that you can hear Enos B's voice and Akon's voice. At the moment, Enos B and Fally Ipupa do not really get along, but in 2014, Fally Ipupa was there, try to give him a hand when he was still, climbing. But I don't know exactly what happened, but at the moment, they are not getting along. So after playing this video, it will be the end of my video. Let me play it and bye-bye. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.
Na cassette, na maquette. N'ebe qui est dans danger. Tant que tu le quand on s'y bien.
En train de filmer.
Ouais.
Coming to the couple. I just don't know when yet. After this, probably in August.
Wow.
It's video, so.
Yes. David, stop! I mean, Mama Gabby.
Mama and Getty.
Yes, Mama Gabby.